Hi guys, so we'll move on to the next lesson today. So we'll discuss about the middle C and C major scale on this class. So what is a middle C? Basically, as we discussed in the previous videos, this keyboard, a 5-octave keyboard, starts with a C, and there are quite a number of C's in the keyboard. The next C is, the next one is, the next one. So there are 6 C's. This C is generally considered as the middle C. The concept is that the middle C is generally nearest to the middle of the keyboard. So this one is the nearest, as you can see. So this is considered as the middle C. Generally, we use the right hand on the right side of the middle C and the left hand to the left side of the middle C to play any song. So now we will discuss about scales, and the most basic of all scales is C major. Why is it the most basic? Because there are no sharps or flats in the scale, only deals with the white keys, just a linear set of keys. So how do you play the C major scale? It's like this. And back. Now, when you're playing on the with your right hand, the fingering is actually very important. It might seem to you that you can play with any fingers you want at this point, but at a later stage, when you play fast songs, the fingering is actually very important. Otherwise, your fingers get tangled. So when you're playing with the right hand, it's like 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and back. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1. This is the set of fingers you're supposed to use when playing with the right hand. With the left hand, it's like this: 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1, and back. 3, 2, 1. Sorry. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we discussed about the fingering in the last class, so I guess you remember. These are the 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So this is how you play the C major scale. Now, concept of middle C, I hope it's clear. A mistake I made in the last video is that the minim I represented it with this symbol is actually wrong. This is the correct symbol. I'm sorry for that mistake. So now we'll try to play something with beats. So if you want to play with a beat, this is a basic metronome that you can see, a key called metronome. It will give you basic beats for practicing, like just to keep you on rhythm. So suppose I want to play this. So what is this? Crotchet in each note. So in a bar, as we discussed, this is a bar. I'll use a fresh one. So this is a bar. It has 4 counts. So basically we can fit any number of notes in these 4 counts as per our requirements. So we can fit one C here with a semi-brief. So it will play like this. If we fit 2 minims here, so it will play like this. And in the same way, if you fit 4 crotchets, it will play like this. So now suppose you want to play this. C note for 3 counts and then another C for 1 count. So you basically can't fit them with the semi-briefs, minims and crotchets that I taught you in the last class. What you have to do is use dotted notes. So when you need, suppose, 3 counts for a single note, you can use a dotted minim. What does a dot do? A dotted minim. So what does a dot do? A dot basically makes the note 1.5 times of it. Like a minim generally weighs 2 counts. With a dot, it will weigh 3 counts. So you can play this. 1, 2, 3, 4. Similarly, this dot is applicable for all other notes. For a semi-brief, if you put a dot, it will become 6 counts. For a minim, it will become 3. For a crotchet, it will become 1.5. Similarly, it will keep on being 1.5 times of itself. Now, let's play this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So, how do you write this on the staff notation? Firstly, you make bars. Teaching you in a rough manner, so I'm not using scales to draw this. So as I played it with the right hand, I'll use this symbol of the treble clef here. As I used a 4x4 time signature, I'll write 4x4 here. Now I played this in the C major scale, so there is no sharp or flats in the scale. So I'm not using any sharp or flats in this side. If I use another scale which has sharps or flats, which we'll discuss in the upcoming classes, so we'll have to include the notes which have a sharp or flat before the bar starts. Okay. So what I played is 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So these are basically, as you can understand from the metronome, 1, 2, 3, 4. It's basically a crotchet for each note. So I can use, this starts with C. Now, in the keyboard we have this C, we have this C, we have this C. So, now what I taught you is the third space in the right hand side represents a C. But if you want this C and this C, both of them in a single song or in any line of the song, how do you represent the difference between the C's? So this C is, you can consider it as this C, and if you want a lower C, you can draw lines beneath this. So this line is basically E, so you can make a C here. If you want even lower C's, you can further draw lines here and draw the subsequent notes. Similarly, if you want a higher C, you can draw lines here and mark the subsequent, whatever relevant notes you want. So what I played is 1, 2, 3, 4, C, D, E, F with crotchets. So what I do is start with this C, C, D, E, F. Sorry, E, F. So these are crotchets, make them crotchets. 3, 4. Next is G, F, E, D. 5, 4, 3, 2. So this is G, so this stays on for entire 4 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and stop. So this will basically be a semi-brief. So use a semi-brief. So this is the basic process of converting your song into staff notations. So now you can you can download sheets from for any songs and see the staff notations and play. So thank you for watching. I'll continue in my next